I brought up 4 different effects here, and they're brought up underneath these bus ends here. Don't worry about this particular mixer, but basically I've set up a room, a hall, an echo, and a chorus. This is what it sounds like just on our kick drum here. So here's our room, hall, a delay, and then a chorus. Okay, so typically I just want to add just a little bit of room to that. Depends on how live your room is. Add an echo to that. Put a hole on that.
Bring change, darkness drowns in your light when you
A little bit of echo on that.
when you rest. This is worship, this is praise, giving you my days. When you reign, you bring peace, you bring life, you bring change. Darkness drowns in your light when you reign, when you reign.
Getting the clipping there so we can start bringing everything out.
Jesus, I long for the day you return to make all things new.
We're drowning a bit of reverb
I
there.
look to the heavens, hoping the sun will come shining through. And we will worship, we will praise and see you face to face. When you reign, you bring peace, you bring life, you bring change. Darkness drowns in your light when you reign. All bow down at the sound of your name. No one else wears a crown when you reign. When you reign. So let your kingdom come, your will be done in me. Let your kingdom come, your will be done in us. Let your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven, as it is in heaven. Sing it out. When you